Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive 1.6 Cdti non-runner engine Euro 6 No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 205,191. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 pse6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start turnover when bump started, but you can hear the bottom end bearings are knocking. Starter motor needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features.